In the dense heart of Singapore, in-between house unfolds as a subtle symphony of space and green. Crafted by superassembly, this home is not simply a dwelling. It is a woven composition of light, air, and silence between solid forms. The facade reveals itself as 4 distinct brick cuboids, separated by generous gaps. These in-between spaces are intentional voids, living seams that dissolve boundaries between structure and landscape. Robust brick volumes anchor the design, while the interstitial gaps host abundant greenery and water features. This tactile composition balances solidity with breathability, blending landscape into the very framework of the home. Walking through this house is like journeying through layered gardens. At the entry, a tree pierces the roof of the carport, marking sacred thresholds. Deeper within, a courtyard blooms upward into a double-height atrium, embraced by skylights and floating planter boxes above. Light pours through the interstitial gaps, crafting shifting patterns across surfaces. These voids channel natural ventilation, delivering fresh air deeply into the home and animating interiors with movement and life. A grounded palette of terracotta brick, warm, earthy, and textural, flows seamlessly from exterior to interior. Complemented by vertical timber veneer and woven wall panels, the materials affirm a strong connection to organic warmth and forested memory. Inside, spaces breathe and textures speak. Wall panels echo tree trunks, layering timber and weave with rhythmic cadence. Interiors gently invite nature in, where built forms and planted life shine as one. Nature is not an afterthought. It is the very fabric of this home. Trees puncture, water reflects, plants thrive in the interstices, building a continuous dialogue between living forms and crafted space. In-between house is more than a residence. It is a living poem of pause, where voids become gardens and walls become thresholds. Here, architecture breathes, listens, and lives between the edges of light and green,